In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use your own photographs to generate income online in this video. Each and every one of us take photos, both with our cameras and smartphones. I'll be showing you 8 websites in this video where you can consistently earn a lot of money using your own images. By using only your photographs, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 and more. Now, even if you don't wish to sell or distribute your very own images or photos, if you watch this video through to the end, I will show you where you can find free photos to use online. Many people are already doing this and reporting very positive results. Your phone or laptop, together with an internet connection, are all you need to get started. To avoid missing any crucial information in this video, be sure to watch it all the way through. Once more, be sure to follow the instructions in this video step by step to ensure that you don't miss anything. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever we upload new content online, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. The first website is called stock.adobe.com. Starting with the best, we'll work our way down. One of the better options available for selling your images is this one right here. All you need to do is register for an account on this website and begin adding your images. To sign up and start uploading your photos, click right up here, where it says, Sell. Let it load. Once you are on this page, you can sign up with your email address or you can directly sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account. Once you do that, you are going to start uploading your photos on this website and start making money. The second website is called iStockPhoto.com. This is another well-known website where you can find a lot of businesses and people searching to acquire images for their projects. Being the supplier on this website is all that you will require to make money. To sign up and get started, click right up here where it says, Join. You will land on this page. Once you are here, all you need to do is put in your email address, your password, confirm your password, then choose your country and click on Join Now. Once you are done, once people purchase your images, you'll be able to start making money from your uploaded photos. The third website is called Shutterstock.com. This is another very popular platform. You can upload your photos to this well-known network and start earning money here as well. Many businesses and individuals from around the world use this website to find photographs for their projects. If you click on the images right here, you will land on this page. As you can see, unleash your creativity with unrivaled images. If you go through this website, you are going to see a lot of images. Your photos don't have to be great to start, but if you want to do it professionally, it will increase the number of sales. All you have to do to get started is sign up and submit your photos. To sign up, click on Sign Up. You will be redirected to this page right here. From here, you can put in your email address, put in your password, or you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. Once you are done, you will have the opportunity to start making money online with the platform. The fourth website. You can get the app both on the Apple Store or the Play Store. This site has over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. As you can see, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. If we go down, right here, simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online photo portfolio, they will share the profit with you 50-50. Down again, take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or picture to one of their missions is an easy way to also make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. Go down again, you are going to see a lot of popular brands supporting this platform. Now, if you want to sign up and get started on this platform, click on Sign In right here. You will be redirected on this page. Click right down here where it says, Don't have an account, register here. You will land on this page. On this page, you will choose to create an account as a creator. All you will do is put in your email address or use your Facebook account to sign up. From here, you will be given the opportunity to upload your photos and make money on this platform. The fourth website is called Getimages.com. This is another well-known website where you can monetize your photos. All you need to do to get started is register as a creator. Once you do that, you will be able to start uploading your pictures and making money. The sixth website is called Stocksy.com. This is another website to sign up and start making money with your images. To get started, click right up here, sign up. You will be redirected to this page right here. All you have to do is create an account using your email address or your Google account or your Facebook account, and you will get going. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. The seventh website is called mipic.co. To get started on this website, click on Sell right up here. Follow the process, sign up, and once you do that, you will be able to start uploading your photos and making money on the platform. The eighth website is called Clickasnap.com. As you can see right here, it pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. This website has one of the best online photo sharing platforms to help you share your images and get paid. They have over 1 million image views per day. This website is home to a photo community that allows you to promote your photos and grow your profile while keeping full control and rights over your images. Just follow the process, sign up, and start making money with your images. Now, the more websites you sign up on, the more money you will be making. So make sure you sign up on many of the websites we have shown you in this video as possible. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.